henerasyon na ito ay iba sa henerasyon ko, pero iba talaga narinig ko ang mga your love and your cheers really mean a lot to me. Thank you.
Isang karangalan po dahil isang icon ang nag-ginto kasama namin ni Julie.
Can I just say something? Wala akong choice kasi siya ang nagkaroon ng idea na to, nakawin ko ang ginto. Tapos ang director pa ng show, anak ko si Paolo, wala akong choice. Tapos Julie pa, so sabi ko, sige, subukan kong gawin.
Isa pa! Isa pa!
Grabe. Grabe talaga.
It feels so good talaga, Julie, if I may. And I'm speaking on behalf of artists like myself na medyo matagal-tagal na rin sa industriya, 40 years. And kailangan kong sabihin ito. Kanina ko po sila naririnig backstage kahit hindi ko sila nakikita kasi naririnig ko sila dito. These are not just artists we have here. These are outstanding artists. I'm being very honest with the both of you right now, okay? You represent SB19. Hats off to SB19. Julie, there are many female singers, but there are very few extraordinary female vocalists. Nasasabi ko ngayon na ang kalagayan ng OPM ay nasa mabuting kamay. Dahil sa mga katulad nito, at mga katulad din yung lahat na nakikinig sa mga tutugin nila, paminsan-minsan nakikinig din kayo sa mga tutugin nila. Thank you. Gary V. But you know what I mean, di ba? Ang sarap talaga when you have people like this in front of you. What we give you is all from here, and what you give us is also from here.
Alam mo, Tito Gary, hindi, gusto lang namin i-share na talagang sobrang honored kami na nandito kasama namin si ang nag-iisang Gary Valenciano. Nakakaiyak, no? Kasi dati pinapanood lang namin siya, pinakinggan lang namin yung mga songs, ngayon nakakasama na namin siya.
No, I know. It's really an honor for me. Kasi hindi ko akalain na tatagal ako ng ganito sa industriya ng musika. Tapos ngayon, biglang, Gary, you want to guest in Julie and Stell? Sabi ko, why not? Kung gagawin mo ganito. Ha?
Ako, Direk Pao, lagot ka. Pag uwi, palok ka kay Daddy.
No, I mean, hindi eksaktong perfect yung pagkagawa ko, pero
Hindi! Perfect!
It was perfect!
Perfect!
This is amazing. This is so amazing. Isa ka pa! Let me be honest, since everybody's been honest with each other, this is probably one performance I was really, really nervous to do. Kasi alam nyo lahat ng steps na yan. Ang hirap kaya isabay yung steps at saka yung rap. At least during my generation, na napakasimple kasi yung rap. But I was thinking, what if tonight, is it okay if we like bridge the generation? And maybe we can do this next song. Kung okay lang sa inyo.